These are the things we studied last class. These are the good qualities. What are they? Helping someone, salute, gardening, watering a sapling, helping grandparents, pampering pet animal. These are the good qualities. These are the good qualities. And what are the good values? Personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, constitutional values. What are the 5 good values? Personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and the last one, constitutional values. Here are some of the saying of Swami Vivekananda. What he say? World survives on morality. World survives on morality. Selfishness is immoral and selflessness is moral. Selfishness is immoral and selflessness is moral. Next, we studied about personal values in the last class. What are the personal values? Some of the personal values are love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. These are some of the personal values. Okay. Personal values means it is a basic value for an individual. Personal value is the basic value for an individual. Some of the personal values are love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. It is a third Roman letter, second question. Okay, dears. Cultural values. What is cultural value? These two we see in the last class. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This helps to maintain cultural values. Irrespective of language, in harmony. This helps to maintain cultural values. Okay. What is called as cultural values? Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This helps to maintain cultural values. Next one, what is social value? What are some of the social values we should maintain in public places? We should maintain in public places. What are the social values? First point, maintain good relation with people. Maintain good relation with people. We should maintain a good relationship with other people. Okay. Respect elders. Respect elders. Third one, protect nature. Protect nature. Be tolerant. Be tolerant. Fifth point, maintain friendship. Maintain friendship. Okay, these 5 points are the good values we should maintain in public places. What are the 5 social values? Maintain good relation with people, respect elders, protect nature, be tolerant, and fifth point, maintain friendship. These 5 points are the 5 social values we should maintain in public places. Next one, disciplinary values. Here are some of the things did you know? Let us know these things. Okay. King Sibi offered the flesh of his thigh to a starved hawk to save the wounded dove. To save the wounded dove. Second point, To give justice to a cow, Manunidi Cholan killed his son under the wheels of his chariot. Third one, King Pari offered his golden chariot to Mullai, a creeper. King Pari offered what? Offered his golden chariot to Mullai. Manunidi Cholan killed his own son under the wheels of the chariot. King Pagan offered his shawl to a peacock which was shivering in the cold. Which was shivering in the cold. King Pagan offered his shawl to a peacock which was shivering in the cold. ஒரு மயிலுக்கு அவரோட ஷாலை கொடுத்தாராம். எதுக்காக? பிகாஸ் பீகாக் வாஸ் ஷிவரிங் இன் த கோல்டு. ரொம்ப ஷிவரிங் ஆச்சுன்னு அவரோட ஷாலே அந்த கிங் கொடுத்தாராம். இந்த கிங் பேகன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், disciplinary values. This is one of the 2 mark question. Disciplinary values. Disciplinary values are punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding morals, discharging duties without fail, and so on. What are the disciplinary values? Disciplinary values are punctuality. On time punctual-ஆ நம்ம ஸ்கூலுக்கு போயிடணும். அதுதான் punctuality. 9 o'clock, we have 9 o'clock school means you should present in our school 8:50. Okay. Next one, involvement in all the things happened in the school, treating everyone as equal, treating every friends of you as equal, doing work on time, you should do your homework on time. Okay, holding morals, discharging duties without fail, and so on. These are the disciplinary values. Page number 166. These 3 points is your third Roman letter, 5th question answer. 2 mark question. Next one. Here are some of the activity. Circle the good values given above. Circle the good values given above. Here are the some of the values. This is your home activity. Okay, dears. Next one, citizen. Citizen. Okay. A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. Define citizen. A citizen is a person. This is a 2 mark question. Third Roman letter, first 2 mark question. Okay, dears. Page number 167. What is citizen? A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country. We live in India, right? So citizen means the person who live in India are the citizens of that country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. As a citizen, he may enjoy various rights and executes his duties. Okay. What is mean by citizen means a citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country. Okay. And enjoys various rights and executes his duties. Duties varikkum first question. Okay. 2 more question. A sovereign state provides right to live, right to education, right to vote, right to work and reside anywhere in the country for its citizen. Next one, this is a 5 mark question. Constitutional values. Constitutional values is a, this one is a 5 mark question. Okay. So listen carefully. Define constitutional value. 4th Roman letter, first question. Write about the constitutional values. Write about the constitutional values. Okay. constitutional values is your side heading. Then you have to write first point, safeguard public properties. Safeguard public properties. Big temple is one of the public property. Okay, we should not throw any waste on the public places. Okay, safeguard, we should maintain a public property. Second one, maintain unity and integrity of a nation. We should maintain unity and integrity of the nation. Third one, develop scientific attitude. Develop scientific attitude. Next one, protect natural resources. Protect natural resources. Fifth point, care for the environment. Care for the environment. Honor national symbol. Honor national symbol. Respect martyrs and their sacrifices. Respect martyrs and their sacrifices. Preserve our cultural values and heritage. Last one, develop patriotism. What does mean by patriotism? Patriotism means desiyapatru. Okay, we should safeguard public properties, maintain unity among the nation, and we should develop a scientific attitude. Protect our natural resources like land, water, air. These are the natural resources, so we should protect our natural resources. Care for the environment. Care for the environment. Honor national symbols. Honor national symbols. Respect martyrs and their sacrifices. Preserve our cultural values and heritage. We have some cultural values, right? We may have some function in a cultural values. We should maintain and preserve that spirituality. Okay, we should maintain or preserve our cultural values and heritage. Develop patriotism. My dear students, like this you have to write the answer in a point to point. First point, second point. First point, safeguard public properties. Second point, maintain unity and integrity of the nation. Third point, develop scientific attitude. Fourth point, protect natural resources. Fifth point, care for the environment. Sixth point, honor national symbols. Next one, respect martyrs and their sacrifices. Eighth point, preserve our cultural values and heritage. And the last point, ninth point, develop patriotism. Okay, mark பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Page number 167 fourth Roman letter, first question. This is a detailed question, very easy question. Okay, next one, let us know. First point, do not violate the rules. Do not violate the rules. Second point, do not spit and dump garbage anywhere. Okay, do not spit and dump garbage anywhere. We should not spit on the public places or on the roads. We should not dump garbage anywhere. Third one, do not pollute land and water. We should not pollute land resources and water resources. Fourth point, do not burn the old objects in streets. Do not burn the old objects in streets. We should not burn any objects on the streets. Okay, next one, do not break the white pumpkin. White pumpkin means in Tamil we called it as Poosanikai on the roads. We should not break the white pumpkin on the roads. These are the general values you should know. Okay dears, do not violate the rules. We should respect the rules. Next one, Do not spit and dump garbage anywhere. Do not pollute land and water. Do not burn the old objects in streets. Do not break the white pumpkin, பூசணிக்காய், on the roads. Okay. Next. Good conduct and moral science are nothing but civic values. This is a match the following. This is your activity. Okay. Citizenship. Citizenship is the right to live in the best way as a civilian. As a civilian, citizenship means it is a right to live. What is mean by citizenship? Citizenship means it is right to live in the best way as a civilian. This includes a person's participation and in a government activities too. This includes persons oda participation in a government activities. Next one, factors that enrich good values. It is a detailed first question answer. The factors that enrich good values are, fourth Roman letter, second question years, page number 169. This is a detailed question. Okay. Factors that enrich good values are, first one, literacy. Second one, awareness and interest. Third one, try hard till success. Evaluate oneself. Acceptance. Self-confidence. These are some of the good values we should enrich. Okay, these are the factors of good values we should enrich. First one, literacy. Second one, awareness and interest. Awareness and interest. Third point, try hard till success. Evaluate oneself. We should evaluate one another. Okay, what are the good values, what are the bad values? Like this, we have to evaluate one another. Third point, try hard till we reach success. Okay, we may face many failures during the process, but we should try hard until we reach the success. Fifth point, acceptance. Whatever happens, we should accept the situation. Okay. Next point, self-confidence. We should have self-confidence on ourselves. Okay. This is the fourth Roman letter, second question detail. From here to here, self-confidence varaikum. Next one, each student should be thought to be hygienic, which is the most significant part of good values. One must follow the routine below. One must follow the routine below. What are the some of the routines? Means wake up early in the morning. You should wake up early in the morning. Early 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock in the morning. Brush your teeth. After wake up, you have to brush your teeth. Then have a bath. Have a good bath. Okay. Next one, wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Wear slippers or shoes. Wear slippers or shoes. Trim hair and cut the nails. Trim your hair and cut down your nails. Wash hands before and after meals. சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியும் சாப்பிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறமும் கைகளை கழுவணும். What are the good values we should follow on the daily routine? Wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear slippers or shoes, trim hair and cut the nails, wash hands before and after meals. Okay. Next one, glossary. Offer, give. Offer, give. Preserve, protect. Preserve, protect. Self-confidence, self-confidence, believe in oneself. Self-confidence means believe in oneself. Offer, give. Preserve, protect. Self-confidence, believe in oneself. Okay. Next one, recap. Good values are developed by practicing them. How the good values are developed? Only through the practice. Only through practice, good values are developed. Second one, honesty is the best policy. நேர்மையே உயரிய கொள்கை. Honesty is the best policy. Third point, good values are classified into 4 types. How many types? 4 types. What are they? Personal values, cultural values, social values, and fourth one, disciplinary values. Good values are classified into 4 types. What are they? Personal values, cultural values, social values, and disciplinary values. These are the 4 good values. Next one, take page number 170, evaluation, book back, question and answer. Okay. First one, fill in the blanks. First question, man is a dash. Man is a dash. In the first page we see man is a social animal. Man is a social animal. Right here, man is a social animal. S-O-C-I-A-L, social animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, social animal. Second one, the word civic means dash of a nation. The word civic means citizen. The word civic means citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen. Third one, the aim of education is to change a person into a dash. Change a person into a valuable human being. Valuable. V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E, valuable. Human. H-U-M-A-N, human. Being, B-E-I-N-G, being, valuable human being. The aim of education is to change a person into a valuable human being. Fourth one, dash is the basic value